No one can serve two masters. Either you're gonna hate the one or love the other. Or you will be devoted to the one and despise the other. You cannot serve both God and Satan. Di ba nakasulat? Ang greatest enemy ni God sa heart mo, hindi si Satan. The love for money. Money is not evil. It's the love of money is the root of all kinds of evil. So be careful lang, Gusto ko lang kayong encourage. Gusto ni Lord yumaman ka. Gusto ni Lord ma-bless ka. Pero kung hindi ka yumaman ngayon, at may Diyos ka, okay lang din yun. I'm not saying pagka hindi ka blessed, wala si Lord. No. But don't ever think, pag may Diyos, dapat mahirap. Ay, paano tatakbo gawain ng Diyos? So sabi ni God sa kanya, okay, sabi ni Jesus, ginawa mo ba to, iho? Okay. Ginawa mo ba yan? Okay. O, dito tayo ngayon sa una. Kweng. Bagsak agad siya. Okay, magaling ka sa 5 to 10. Doon muna tayo sa una. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Because His God is His money. It's His reputation. It's His wealth. Whatever you cannot surrender already owns you. Ano hindi mo ma-surrender kay God? Sometimes we think, pag-aari ko yung kotse ko, pag-aari ko yung yaman ko. If you cannot surrender it to God, it owns you already. You're a slave to something na hindi mo kaya surrender kay Lord. Kaya ang hirap, Sabi dito, and you're gonna have treasures in heaven. We cannot follow Jesus if we're busy amassing treasure here on earth. Sabi dito, sa heaven ka ng treasure. Then, sabi, come follow me. Idols tend to be good things that you have turned into God things, which therefore become bad things. Sabi ni Pastor Mark Driscoll. Something that is good becomes the ultimate. It became the ultimate, then it became an idol. Money is good, your career is good, your wife is good, your husband is good, your child is good. Pag naging ultimate yan, it becomes an idol. So be careful, because something that's good, and it becomes the ultimate. Oh my gosh, career ko to. Wag na magsimba pag linggo kasi yung career baka mawala. Then it becomes an idol. Golf is good. Pickleball is the best. Okay? But it becomes an idol. Magsisimba ka, nagpi-pickleball ka, no-brainer, pickleball. That's an idol. Anything you put before God for your sense of identity, security, significance, has a potential idol. So be careful, because sometimes si Satan very crafty. Sometimes hindi siya outright sin. Magiging busy lang tayo sa career. Is there anything I value more than obedience to Christ? You know what happened when Jesus said, sell your possession, then come follow me. And the saddest verse in the Bible, at this, the man's face fell. I mean, he is face to face with the one who can bring him to eternal life. And yet, he turned his back because, the reason was stated, he is very rich. And now, again, hindi tayo makarelate dahil hindi naman tayo mayayaman. Karamihan sa atin, mayayabang lang. Kasi, yung yaman kasi, kuya, nauubos Yung yabang, hindi. Kaya ako, mayabang lang ako, okay? Kaya hindi tayo makarelate Pag nagpapasa ka ng ganyan, ba't di niya binigay? Hello, ikaw kaya? May 10 billion ka, hiningi ni Lord. So, madali sabihin na, ay, mahina pala to kasi pera mo 3,000 sa bangko, may utang ka pa sa GCash. So, kaya dali magbigay. Kung bilyon ng pera mo and God is asking you, give it all away, then come follow me. To surrender, look up here para mag-gets nyo itong nangyayari. To surrender possession for this man, it's not merely financial sacrifice. It was social dislocation. The ruler would not simply lose money. He would lose the following: social standing, family honor, economic protection, political influence, religious prestige, future security. Lahat yan mawawala. Ay, mahirap ka na. May reunion, wala kang dalang camel. Kasi yung camel mo, magpapapicture kami. Wala naglalakad na lang ako. Yung sandals mo, wala, dinonate ko sa mahihirap. Mahirap ka na, huwag ka na sumama sa reunion. Ito yung mangyayari sa kanya. Hindi ito yung bibigay lang pera, mawawala sa kanya lahat. Si Jesus walang bahay. Ay, wala siyang bahay si Jesus. Susunod ka doon. Kaya before you even say, ako hindi mangyayari sa akin yan. Hello! Sapatos mo nga, hindi mo mabibigay So be careful when you say, ako God, wala akong idolatry. Wherever your heart clings to and relies upon, that is really your God. Sabi ni Martin Luther, saan ba yung puso mo nakaangkla?